Okay, YouTubers, here we go with a demo vid. This is 10-shot cherry bomber. I think I said cherry bomb. It's actually bomber by Winda. 10-shot, 200-gram cake. The performance, see blue, bright red flash, blue finale, and powerful brakes all on this one. Sounds like a pretty good one. I thought it was an okay cake, so, but yeah, I'm sorry it's been a while since the demo vids and that, so here next couple days I'm gonna be posting some demo vids up. This will be the first one, so I thought I'd let you guys know. So enough with me talking, and here we go with 10-shot cherry bomber. Yep, 10-shot cherry bomb by Winda, 200 gram. Not bad.